Hi, I'm Lillian. Join me as I take you on an exciting journey into the world of a network infrastructure engineer plays a critical role in designing, implementing, managing, and optimizing an organization's IT network. Their work ensures the seamless communication, connectivity, and security of all systems, devices, and data. Here's a breakdown of how they operate.
Hi, I'm Vi. Join me as I take you on an exciting journey into the world of a network infrastructure engineer. Network design, assessment, analyze organizational requirements, including user needs, applications, and future scalability. Blueprint creation, design network layouts, including routers, switches, firewalls, VLANs, and wireless access points. Technology selection, choose suitable hardware, software, and configurations based on performance and cost effectiveness. 2. Implementation, hardware installation, deploy and configure network devices like routers, switches, and wireless access points. Software setup, install and configure network management tools, monitoring systems, and security protocols. Connectivity, establish reliable connections between internal systems, remote offices, and cloud services.
Hi, I'm Jay. Join me as I take you on an exciting journey into the world of a network infrastructure engineer. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Monitoring, use tools to track network performance, availability, and security. Issue resolution, diagnose and fix connectivity issues, slow performance, or hardware failures. Updates, regularly update firmware, software, and security patches to ensure optimal performance. 4. Security management. Access control, set up firewalls, VPNs, and user authentication to protect sensitive data. Threat response, monitor for vulnerabilities and respond to breaches or threats promptly. Compliance, ensure network security aligns with industry regulations and standards. 5. Optimization. Performance tuning, analyze network traffic to optimize speed and reliability. Capacity planning, upgrade hardware and configurations to accommodate growing organizational needs. Automation, implement tools and scripts to simplify repetitive tasks like backups and configurations. 6. Collaboration. Cross-department coordination, work with other IT teams to integrate systems and applications. Vendor management, engage with suppliers for equipment procurement and technical support. Training, provide guidance and training to IT staff and end users for effective network use. Key tools used: hardware, routers, switches, wireless access points, and servers. Software, network monitoring tools, for example, SolarWinds PRTG, firewall software, and configuration management platforms. Protocols, TCP/IP, DNS, DHCP, VLANs, and VPNs. Thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. If you haven't checked out our other videos about networking, be sure to watch them now. We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.